How long before I see results with Credit Money Machine? Results depend on several factors, such as the type of negative items on your credit report, how quickly you respond to requests, and how fast the credit bureaus update your file. With Credit Money Machine one-click 15-second automation, disputes are generated instantly and sent out right away, so you'll be taking action immediately. Our unique win strategy, shown here, will tell you exactly where to click to dispute the ideal set of letters that produce the best results. Most clients are seeing changes within 30 to 45 days, as that's the typical time frame for bureaus to process disputes and creditors to process the validation letters. Some results may appear sooner, while other more complex cases can take multiple rounds. Rounds, disputes, and reasons and letters will change automatically when you extract the new credit report. The whole process is completely automated. For more information, please go to www.creditmoneymachine.com. Thank you.